TD stock, is it a buy or sell? This is going to be a very short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Toronto Dominion Bank is sitting at $54.67, 6% down today. To give you context, I am, looking for upside deliveries, but the only way that I'm really going to look is if something happens. But to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins. And like I said, because there is a lot of fluff around this thing and we've been consolidating in the same exact price for like 2 years, I cut all the fluff and said that I'm only really going to look bullish for upside deliveries if first we start go like 9% up, and then the price goes a little bit down and breaks up again. Only when that happens, only then I'm pulling the trigger up. So that's the way that I would approach it. It's obviously not financial advice. Like you do your own due diligence, do your own everything right. It's like that. For a 100% free course, check the first link in the description. The course has 100% 5-star reviews, so you're gonna like it. You're gonna love it, as a matter of fact.